Hey guys, today I will show you how to add a slick music player to your Windows setup, giving you instant access to playback controls and a live now playing display right on your taskbar. Let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is to disable this widget. To do that, right click on your taskbar, select taskbar settings. Head on to this widget and disable it on the right side. After doing that, we can see right here that the widget is not here anymore. X on this. Now we're going to install Windock. To do that, to head on to our browser, navigate to this download icon, click on it. Now we're done with the download, we're going to run this setup.exe, click on it, minimize this, OK, next, then install it. Click on finish. Head on to explore. So right on the search mode here, we're going to search for this mode called Taskbar Music Lounge. There you have it. Just click on details. Install it. Ignore this harmless warning. Proceed to install it right here. After installing that, we can see on the bottom left right here, this music player, and here's the display for the song title and artist. So we're going to make some slight changes to these. Head on to settings. We're going to change panel width to 250. Okay, click on save settings. That reduced the size of the music player a bit. So apparently we're done with this. So as a bonus, I'm going to introduce you to another mode. Go on to explore, and here we're going to search for Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. So there it is. Click on details. Click on install. Proceed to install it. So once you've installed that, go on to settings. And here on that theme, you can expand this, and we're going to select this dock light. Select this one, click on save settings. Beautiful. Now the dock has been split into segments, and I think I prefer it this way. It's looking cleaner and compact. Now if you click on home, these are the two mods we just installed. If at any point in time you don't want to use this anymore, you can disable this right here. You can just toggle it off to disable it. Enable it to activate it again, or if you want to completely remove it, just click on remove, and that's going to get rid of the mod. If you don't want to use this application anymore, go right here to Windows, right click on it, select install apps. Right here you want to search for WindHawk. There you have it. Go to the right side here, click on these three dots, select uninstall. Click on uninstall again. So ensure to check on this. Once you do that, it's going to remove the program settings as well. Once you've done that already, click on uninstall. That is all you have to do to remove this application. I'm not going to uninstall it now. I'm just going to X on this. I've done a couple of videos regarding WindHawk. You can check it out on my channel. Also, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out in my future post. Have a nice day, guys. Peace out.